How's everyone doing today? Very nice day out. Oh, it's a beautiful view. Look at that. Awesome. How's everyone doing? Yeah, it is a beautiful view. Tony, welcome to my live. Thanks for joining. Hi, Han Ramsey. Welcome to my live. Thanks for joining. I'm just chilling out, you know, looking at nature. Can't get enough of this view. It's nice out today, like real nice. I mean, the camera doesn't even does this view any justice. Surprisingly, initially the weather said it's gonna be gloomy, but nature had other plans. Yeah, so nice. I'll just sit here the entire day and just chill out, look it out. Like, it's so nice. You can even see the ferry going across, and let's see, cars out. Everyone is going around their day. The winds are not blowing very strong, so it's very cold weather. The sun is out, but it's not really hot. It's cool. How is everyone's day going? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to my life. If you're just joining, don't forget to give me a like. How is your day going so far? Hi, welcome to my live. How are you doing? Happy Tuesday to you. What you say your name? Azuka's Kitchen? I'm not sure if I pronounced it properly. But happy Tuesday to you. How are you doing? How is your Tuesday going? What time is it where you're at? As you can see, my Tuesday is going fine. Observing nature. Clear view. Yeah, it's a very nice view. I mean, if only you could see this in person, man. It's so nice. But the camera only do just that much justice, but we have to be thankful for what we got, yeah? It's amazing. See what you call picture perfect. It's busy out today. You see the ferries are very busy today. And the street is very busy. Earlier they had a marching on the street right there. I'm not sure what exactly it was about. What everyone is about, going about. This past week was not really nice out. It was very gloomy, raining, snowing in spring. But I guess spring came back now to take what was rightfully hers. Yeah, it is nice. Yeah, you can see those two ferries back and forth, back and forth. Man, one thing we hear like this every time it's beautiful from here. Once the weather is good, the sunrise, the sunset, everything. You can even check my channel. You'll see the sunrise from here, on the other side. It's amazing. Like, this is so perfect. Just look down, see everyone is going about their business. You can see them on the road, busy as well. See. Hi, Camping and Travels. How are you doing? Happy Tuesday to you. Welcome to my live. Go up. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, just chilling out on this beautiful day, yeah? What is everyone doing? This bright Tuesday, midday meditation. It's just a quick live, catching up on time, yeah? Welcome to my live, everyone. How are you guys doing? Happy Tuesday to you. Don't forget to give me a like, yeah? Thank you guys for joining me so much. This short live, just to share with you guys a beautiful day, beautiful sunshine, a beautiful view. Awesome. Thank you for that like. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can check out a lot more videos on my channel as well. There's a lot more to see on my channel. If you like this view, there's even more nicer views on my channel, so you can check it out. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and thumbs up. And also, you can also share my channel with your friends and your family. Thank you so much.